Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Paul, and today I'm going to show you how to get the Audacity Sound Editor extension. So on my web bar, I have a little app icon. I always click on that to get to the web store here, and then I would type in Audacity, and I would click Add to Chrome, like down here. I already added it, so I can't do it again. And then you would add it to your Chromebook extension bar. But if you don't have this little app icon, you could always just Google search Chrome Web Store and it pops up here, and you can type in Audacity there and you can add it as an extension. So once it's added, it's going to look like this right here, little headphone icon, and you're going to click on that, and you're not going to use Audacity, you're going to use this sound editor here. So you're going to open that up, and this is what we will be working on for our project to make our podcasts.